So welcome to today's math class. In today math we are going to do the booklet review, and today's date is 4/11/2020 and the day is Wednesday, and the pages we are going to solve is page number 27, 31 and 35, and the homework page will be 28, 32 and 36. You can mark it as 27 will be the classwork, 28 homework, 31 as classwork, and 32 homework, and 35 classwork, and 36 homeworks. So these are the three pages that we are going to solve today. Now, everyone, open page number 27. Let's write the dates. CW 4 11 2020. Now let's start. This is the lesson related to our book that we have finished. This is lesson 2.5. Use pictures to compare. Use pictures and subtract onto compare. So you can subtract to compare the groups. So we are going to count how many there are the groups, and then let's see and find the difference here. Use pictures and subtractions to compare. So you can subtract to compare the groups. So we are going to compare and then subtract. So here we have the flowers and the flower pot. So we are going to match, count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 7. So that is 7 minus, and then we have here 6. So how many more? There is one more flower than there are the pot, and there is one fewer pot than there are the flowers. So you can say it as more, as well as you can say use the word fewer. Now look, this is few. Few means less. And this is more. The flower is more. So you can use the word more, or you can use the word fewer or less. So 7 minus 6 equal 1. So here one flower is more, or one pot is fewer. So our answer is 1. Now subtract to compare. Question number 1. We have the skating shoes. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 minus 3. So join them. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. So 5 minus 3 equal dash. So how many more or how many fewer? How many more or how many fewer? Very good. Jannat, Lamar, Iliana, excellent, Miral. Yes. So how many more? You can count here or you can look here. This does not have any pairs, so it is 2 more. So that gives you the answer. We have 2 more skating shoes. Now, question number 2. 6 minus 4. So we are going to match here. So look how many kites we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 6 minus 4, how many remaining? How many more kites or how many fewer? Now the question is how many fewer slides? Both the answers will be the same. How many more or how many fewer? So how many fewer? Which don't have here, look. How many fewer? Yes, very good. Eileen, Iliana, very good. So that gives you 2. So there are 2 fewer slides. Now, question number 3, we have the ball and the bat. Now look, you have to find more. How many more balls you have here? So that gives you 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Now let's move on to the next page. Now everyone, page 28, mark this as homework. Right on top of the page here, HW. This will be the homework page. So HW and write today's date 4 11 2020. This is the homework page, page 28. Now you're going to solve here question number 1 and question number 2. And don't solve this, the last one, okay? Just question number 1 and question number 2. Now let's move on to the next page, page 29. Write the date here. This is the classwork page. So it will be CW 4 11 2020. Now here we are going to learn from the lesson 2.7. Subtract all or 0. We are going to subtract all or we are going to subtract with the number 0. So when you subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number. So whenever you subtract any number with the 0, the number will be the same. So here we have 4 minus 0. Then no circles are crossed out. So you don't remove any because it is 0. So 4 and 0. I have 4 chocolates, but I don't want any chocolates to be taken from my friends. So all my 4 chocolates will remain the same. I will not give any chocolate to my friend. So I have all the 4 chocolates to me. So that is 4 minus 0 equals 4. You don't cross out any. Now, when you subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. So when you subtract the two same numbers, you get the answer 0. Like we have 4 minus 4. So again, I have 4 chocolates and I give all my chocolates to my friend. So all the 4 chocolates. So how many chocolates do I have now? Yes, I don't have any chocolates remaining. So that will be 0. So you have 4 circles and you crossed it out. So you don't have any circle remaining. So that will be 0. Yes, very good, everyone. So let's do the same here. Use the circles, write the difference. So using the circles and looking at the circle, we are going to write the difference, write the answer. So question number 1, 3 minus 3. Now you can look at the number is the same. So whenever you subtract the two same number, you get the answer or the difference will be 0. And also look, all the circles have been crossed out. Now, question number 2. 5 minus 0. Is any circle crossed out? No. So what will be the answer? 5 minus 0. Yes, very good. Excellent. 5 minus 0. Yes, the number will remain the same. Now look, all the circles are remaining without any crossed out. So the number is the same. We have 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that gives you 5 minus 0 equal 5. Now we have question number 3. 2 minus 0. Again, whenever you subtract the 0 with any number, the number remains the same. And also look at the circles here. It is not crossed out. So what will be the answer? So what is the difference here? 2 minus 0. Very good, Jury. Ilyana. Excellent. Miral, Rawand, Mariam, Mahmood. Very good. Excellent, Zainab. Yes. Very good, Warif. Yes. So 2 minus 0, we have all the two circles left. So that gives you 2. Now, 1 minus 1. Look at the number or look at the addends. It is 1 minus 1. Did you all finish? Let's move on to the next page. Open page 32. Again, this page is going to be the homework page. So right here on the top, SW 4, 11, 20, 20. You're going to solve this and then you're going to color it. And then you see what is hidden in this picture. Now, 7 minus 4. So there are 7 cubes and they have crossed it out 4 cubes. Now look at the remaining. How many they have? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equal 3. Now same with question number 2. 5 minus 3. There are 5 cubes and they crossed it out 3. Yes, very good. Excellent, everyone. So how many remaining? 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then we have question number 3, 8 minus 1. So there are 8 cubes and they have circled 1 and crossed it out. So 8 minus 1, count the remaining cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 1, 7. Then we have 4 minus 2. So that is 4 cubes. They have circled the 2 cubes and crossed it out. So 4 minus 2 equal 1, 2. So there are 2 cubes remaining.